Bit of a different style video today. I'm going to show you around my brand new home workshop. I've got a bit of work to do, so you can check out what I'm doing. I'm super excited. It's not Blake Builds, it's Neil Builds. This is my home workshop. I actually did a bit of a garage tour probably about 4 years ago in my old house. You can see how much of a mess my old garage was. But this is proper exciting for me. I've just had, for the first time ever, a workshop built, especially for me. I've normally moved into houses just with kind of crappy garages and I've made the best of it. But this time I've designed it. I've got little spots for everything, hopefully it'll all fit in here. So it's time to start building it. I've probably been thinking about this layout for about a year now. I've been quite excited about it, obviously. So this end is, there's a toilet there, laundry there. That's gonna be quite handy, so I'll come straight in the garage doors with my muddy kit and chuck it in there. This corner over here is just sort of general household stuff, but I'm also going to have my indoor trainer set up there with my bike on the Wahoo. So that basically I can sit my laptop on the top of there, sit there, train away, hopefully. Over here, I've kind of saved a bit of cash here. I actually used the old kitchen that we just ripped out. Thought it looked too good to get rid of. I don't really like it, it's not really nice. It's that sort of melamine, or melamine, whatever it's called. That sort of shiny kitchen worktops and units. But I'm actually, you see I've started to sand them down already. I'm going to paint these different colour, grey. And I've just put a 25mm ply worktop on, so super cheap. It's going to get bashed around, I can replace that if I need to. But this is where most of my sort of bits are going to go. My bike parts, tyres. Up here I'm going to have all my products like muck-offs and stuff. So obviously the doors that go on, I need to sand them down and paint them. This corner, I'm actually gonna put this set of shelves in there. I think I want to keep my kit on that. So in that corner, bikes are gonna hang on the wall over there. That's about it. I guess I'm gonna run out of space at some point, but yeah, I think it's time to start working. Well, there you go, done some work. It's far from finished. I thought I'd give you a bit of a tour. It's kind of ready. So there's my Wahoo kicker setup. I've got my Canyon Stoic on it now. Ready to do some training, which I definitely need to do. I've not done a lot for a while. Bit of storage over here, needs sorting out. Loads of stuff to go through, but got my macro down there, kids stuff, first aid kit, computers, toolbox. Needs sorting out as well. I need to empty the drawers and basically get everything out and tidy it up. I've got a peg wall, so this is my park tool peg wall. I need to get some hooks and things to put my most used tools onto there. Also, it's got this bit of a sort of empty spot here. So I guess they normally have those little park stickers on, but what I've got is like a pen, a whiteboard pen, and I'm gonna write my jobs, things I need to do on there. So my Mega needs a new cable, so I'll write that on there just so I don't forget to do it. Got just some storage, you know, all my, what have I got in there? Got my Garmin mounts, spare cleats, things like that. Got my muck off stash. What else have I got? More muck off and stuff. Products up in here. They're not full yet, but they will be soon. Down here I've just got, again, spare bits, pedals, some muck off, cleaner, Crank Brothers pedal refresh kit. I've got my helmets over here, just on there, got some shoes, and then got my bikes racked up behind me. So using these toe peak things, these wall mounts, you can pull them and swing them out. At the moment I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bikes. Of course, we're lucky to have partner brands at GMBN. These aren't actually all the bikes I get to use. Only 2 of these are actually mine. The road bike and my pub bike at the end are actually mine. The rest of them are I call them my bikes, but they're not. Not necessarily mine, I just get to use them. I've got my Canyon Spectral, Heatproof Mega, and my Canyon Lux cross-country bike. Park work stand over there, the trusty old park work stand. And that's kind of it. It is very messy still. Still needs some work. I definitely need to tidy everything up a little bit better and really get my tools up on there. I can start working on my bikes in luxury. Stoked with it. Really only a couple of jobs left, I suppose. I need to get some artwork over on the wall. Yeah, I need to get those pegs on there, like I said. Also, it's time for me just to get my security in. I've got a good alarm. I've got some ground anchors to sort of keep all these bikes safe, but stoked with it. Hope you've liked the little tour of my garage. Give us a thumbs up if you like a home workshop, and yeah, maybe I'll give you another little tour, maybe in a dirt shed, when it's totally finished.